ahead and stop here. Hey, today we're going to try something different. We're going to try to make a Saas application. This one will be an alumni application that I'm going to start. So I will be doing this with Laravel new. Then let's just call this alumni management. So I'm still running, I believe this is Laravel 11. So I don't have the new starter kits, which I don't really like. What do we want to do? Do we want to do view? We're going to do view. Then we don't really need SSR, so we're going to skip on that. TypeScript for sure. Pest. Yeah, sure. Alright, so while that's installing, I'm just going to look and basically kind of see what's out there really. Alumni management, we kind of want to see what they have and then maybe take some of their ideas. So they have membership management, that's the main thing. Event management, I was thinking about doing something like this for a different application. Job board, I'm thinking more like a volunteer board. Mine is going to be mainly focused on nonprofits. And that's from reading books. I'd say what you want to do is there can already be applications out, but you kind of want to find another niche inside of what that application does. For instance, let's just say there's an app to walk dogs. You make the app to walk big dogs or make the app to walk small dogs, something like that. You want to find a niche within the niche and just market that specific. You want to be specific and market to those specific people, because then you'll be like, oh, this is the app that has all the information about Rottweilers. I'm going to trust them because they know they're the masters of Rottweilers or whatever. Yeah. So let's see the features. No code setup. News updates. Can you click on anything? Alright. Let's see what else we got here. And I'm on Capterra. I just found this. So they have software for like all types of businesses. Okay, here's another one I found called Alma Shines. And let's see. I kind of want to think of what models we'll want for this. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes I just like to bring out the notepad, you know? Keep it easy. NGOs. And we'll do... Okay, so they have a member... Well, we want to start with something quick and easy. So they have members. So we'll want to have members, of course. We'll want to have roles. So roles could be either an admin, or you'll want to allow alumni to actually join. Photo gallery. We could have photos. That could be a model. Event management. That's a good idea too. So basically, I believe we'll want to allow the users to sign up as an alumni, and the admins can verify if they truly are alumni. We'll let them Impact Stories Manager. So we can allow the alumni to have stories. We can call it, yeah, stories, whatever. Stories. And should they have they can have many stories? Yeah, because I mean they can update the stories. So the relationship alumni have many stories. What else do we want? So photos could just be its own thing. Then there could be like a pivot table, alumni photo. So that would be the specific photo that correlates with the alumni or alumni. I wonder if we, because the reason I'm doing this is because I actually had a client that had a need for it, so I might already have a member, or excuse me, not a member, I'm reading this. I might actually have somebody I could sell to, so I might scale it up after that. And I kind of want to just show you guys the process. So we'll do notice board. I'm thinking, yeah, we could do something like that. A notice, yeah. And this is just a rough sketch. We don't have to do it this way, but, or things might change. I haven't really mapped out everything, but the idea kind of came to me, so I was like, let me kind of like throw something together. All they really want is something for alumni to sign up, but I believe we could really make something nice for them. Is this all we need right now? We might need permissions. And so we have permissions, roles, photos, admin photos, stories, notices, events, and then we'll do volunteers. This will have a relationship with events. An event can have many volunteers. Okay, just trying to kind of think about everything how I want it. I don't know what they mean by mailing engine. I guess they can talk to. I'm not sure what that. I would actually have to like book a free demo to kind of steal their ideas. Not steal, but you know, innovate their ideas. But yeah, I'm also going to validate with my client kind of what exactly they want. I'm still trying to work that out, but I think if I present them with like an MVP or something like that, we'll be able to make something work. Private public groups, digital member e-card or iCard, donors management. That's something interesting for later. Okay. I think I know how I want to start. So let's see. Oh, we'll do MySQL. No, we don't want to run those yet. I need to really find some royalty-free music too. So we're here in PHP Storm with a new fresh Laravel application. So what we're going to do, I want to start with making some of the models. So let's do this. And this doesn't have to be full screen. Let's see. Keep it simple. Okay. Get this back here. Long. Alright, PHP artisan, make model. So we want, I guess, members. We already have the users, so we don't really need members, so we can just knock that off. That's users. And then the users will have the different roles. Do we actually need members, or is that just alumni? Alumni is members, so yeah, we just need roles. So make model role. We'll do the resource model and controller, or migration and controller flag, and then we'll do the same for permissions. Then we'll do, what we could do also is use filament, which would make our lives a lot easier. I think I'm going to do that actually. Hang on. Even better idea. Filament. Laravel. Because I do not want to make the backend myself, or the admin panels. I'm just getting the commands. Okay, so PHP artisan, make filament resource. Then we'll do the roles. And I believe it's generate. If we want to generate, but I'm way ahead of myself. We do actually need to do the migrations first. So let me get the rest of these out the door, or in the door, basically. Alright, so I made all the models, and I believe I should go ahead and stop here and